Last night, I was watching American Pickers on the History Channel. The show just isn't the same since Frank left. I miss the way he would always try to bundle things and get a better deal. Now, while I liked watching Frank do that, I never liked a dealer or a retailer to do that to me. I remember many retailers I would not work for because they wanted all my services lumped together in one bid. Well, one price doesn't fit all. I'll give you an example. A retailer meets an installer and strikes up a conversation. It goes something like this. The retailer asks, "How much do you charge?" And the installer responds, "How much are you paying?" This is just two fools making noise. There's no real conversation here. The retailer should be asking about your qualifications. He should be looking at your truck to see how you are going to represent his store. He should have asked you about your experience and your training. He should have asked you if you had insurance. The installer should be trying to build confidence with his future business partner, trying to share his experience, his training, and his customer service skills. The installer should be able to encourage the retailer into charging more for labor, not just settling for what the last guy got paid. Now back to why Frank's favorite pastime of bundling doesn't work for us. No jobs are identical, and no two customers are identical. And again, one price does not fit all jobs. Bad retailers take advantage of inexperienced installers' lack of knowledge about how much it costs for the installer to manage his day-to-day business. And I'm going to say this out loud, even though I know it's going to make some people mad. Yes, there are some large installation workrooms that take advantage of individual installers. I'm not knocking anybody who makes a profit. I'm just saying we all need to share. I'm working on this recommended price list, consulting with other installers throughout this month. I plan to publish this in April. If you have thoughts about this, or if you want me to review your pricing, please send me your info through my Facebook page. Every man deserves to be compensated for his time and his talent. That's all you have to offer. If you've got questions, message me. And remember, I believe in you.